Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro, Max 8K drone, professional quadcopter with 8K camera, ESC stabilization and 3-sided obstacle avoidance. Unleash your aerial creativity with the Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro, Max 8K drone, the ultimate high-performance drone designed for both beginners and advanced pilots. Equipped with a powerful 2.4 GHz transmission system, cutting-edge optical flow localization, and 3-sided intelligent obstacle avoidance, this foldable quadcopter combines compact portability with professional-grade features. The Z908 Pro, Max is available in 3 camera configurations, 4K, 6K, and a stunning 8K HD camera option, delivering breathtaking visuals and high-resolution aerial photography that captures every detail from the sky. Whether you're shooting cinematic travel footage, surveying property, or enjoying casual weekend flights, this drone delivers stability, clarity, and intelligent flight modes tailored to your needs. Built with durable high-strength engineering plastic, the quadcopter's structure is lightweight yet rugged enough for everyday use. The foldable arm design allows it to collapse down to just 14.5 by 10 by 5 centimeters, making it extremely portable and ideal for travel. When expanded, it reaches a full flight size of 33 by 28 by 5 centimeters, allowing for enhanced aerial stability. Powered by a 3.7 volts 2000 mAh LiPo battery, you can enjoy 15 to 18 minutes of flight time per charge, with a fast 60-minute recharge time, ensuring more flight and less downtime. The integrated ESC, electronic speed control, camera stabilization system ensures that even during high-speed movement or windy conditions, your footage remains smooth and shake-free. The Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, system lets you stream real-time footage directly to your smartphone via a connected app, giving you total control over your aerial shot composition. For enhanced user experience, the Xiaomi Z908 Pro, Max is loaded with smart features like altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, and one-touch return to home, making it especially beginner-friendly. The Waypoint Flight feature allows you to draw a flight path on your smartphone screen, while the Orbital Surround mode enables stunning panoramic videos by circling your subject automatically. With 3 speed levels, users can switch between slow cinematic flight or high-speed action, depending on their environment and skill level. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures ultra-stable flight control, even in slightly windy conditions. And with LED lighting for low light visibility and a low-power warning system, you'll fly confidently day or night. This complete drone package includes a remote controller, USB charger, spare blades, screwdriver, and manuals to get you in the air fast. Whether you're capturing epic outdoor adventures, exploring new aerial perspectives, or just enjoying the thrill of flying, the Xiaomi Z908 Pro, MAX drone offers a powerful and intuitive flying experience in a compact, foldable form factor. Technical specifications: brand, Xiaomi Mijia, model, Z908 Pro, Max. Camera options: 2.4G Wi-Fi 4K, 6K, 8K HD. Frequency: 2.4 GHz. Channels: 4ch. Gyroscope: 6-axis for stability. Battery type: 3.7 volts 2000 mAh LiPo included. Flight time: 15 to 18 minutes. Charging time: 60 minutes. Folded size: 14.5 by 10 by 5 centimeters. Unfolded size: 33 by 28 by 5 centimeters. Colors available: black, gray. Control modes: app, remote. Camera stabilization, ESC anti-shake. App features: real-time image transmission, waypoint drawing, orbit flight. Obstacle avoidance, 3-sided intelligent sensors. Flight modes: up, down, forward, backward, lateral flight. 3 speed levels: orbit, waypoint, follow me, headless, one-key return, altitude hold, one-touch takeoff, landing. Materials: high-strength engineering plastic. What's included? 1 Xiaomi Z908 Pro, MAX drone. 1 remote controller. 1 by 2000 mAh battery installed. 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver. 4 spare propellers. 1 user manual. 1 app setup manual.